Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be talking about ToonDoo, a website that allows students and teachers to create comic strips, comic books, edit images, and create your own images by drawing or constructing your own characters. You can get to the website by typing www.toondoo.com into your internet search bar. The website is free to sign up for, and I have created an account in order to demonstrate how to use the website. So let's start the tour of the website by looking at the ToonDoo Maker, which is located right here on the homepage. When you click on it, a second window will pop up that shows you the different comic strip layouts that you can select from. Once you have selected your comic strip, a series of options will appear that allows you to add images, backgrounds, and text to your comic. Let's make an example so you can see how it works. Up here we have the different categories for things that you can select from to add to your comic. Let's start with a background by going to the background icon and selecting from one of the categories. Let's try landmarks. And once you click on it, all of the images available come up, and you click on one and drag it into the white space of your comic strip. And then you can go over to characters and select any of them, but for this we're going to select a man, and then you click and drag him down onto the comic. And then you can add text. This is a text bubble that you're able to move around and edit. So you click and drag it, and then when you get it onto the comic strip, you can move it around to be pointed towards your character, and then type in whatever you want the character to say. And that's how you use the ToonDoo Maker. So let's exit out of this and look at the Bookmaker, which is located right here on the homepage. The Bookmaker allows you to turn the comic strips you create into a comic book. To create the comic book, you click on the comic strips that you have already created and drag them into the book. And you can drag them in any order you choose. So let's go back to the homepage and look at Trader, which is located here. Trader allows you to create your own characters that can be used in your comics. You are able to change all of the features of your character, different hair color, eye color, and you're also able to change the body type as well as the position of the body. The next tool that's used on ToonDoo is Imaginer. What Imaginer does is it allows you to edit your own images in any way that you choose to. So when you click on Imaginer, the next step is to click on the green icon that says Become an Imaginer. So you click on that, and then you have two options. You can either enter the image location, or you can upload an image from your own computer. So we'll click on Upload and select an image. And once the image pops up, you're able to drag it and then drag around this square in order to crop the image so you can choose the section of the photo you want to use. And once you have that selected, you can either flip the photo, rotate it, zoom in or out, and one of the fun parts is you can goofify the image. To goofify your image, you click on the icon that looks like Pinocchio, and when you do that, you are able to morph the image however you choose to, which can be entertaining for your students. The last tool that is available on ToonDoo is the Doodler. When you click on that, this image will pop up, and you click on the icon that says click here to draw. And what Doodler is, it allows you to draw whatever images you want, very similar to Paint. So you're able to draw, change the color of the lines, the brush size, and create your own images. ToonDoo can be utilized extremely well in an early childhood classroom. It provides a creative way to present information to students in all subjects, and it's also a very fun way that you can use projects in your classroom and have the students create their own comics or comic books based on a unit that you're working on. This is a very helpful way to use technology in your classroom, and it's a great way to encourage learning, and I encourage you to use ToonDoo.com.